Hello friends, I'm Mirhan Hipolito, Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, I'll explain an essential concept in trading, the break-even point. If you're just starting your trading journey, this video will be helpful for you. So, what is the break-even point? It's the moment when your trade stops generating losses, but hasn't yet turned profitable. In other words, it's the 0 point. For example, if you buy a currency for $100 to avoid losing money, you need to sell it for at least the same amount, factoring in broker fees. Why is this important? It's simple. The break-even point helps you minimize risks. Imagine your trading plan includes setting a stop loss at the break-even level. This allows you to protect your capital and move forward, even if the market suddenly changes direction. Another reason to consider the break-even point is for psychological management. When you know that your risks are minimized, you feel more confident. And confidence is the key to success in trading. The break-even point is a fundamental concept every trader must understand, whether you're a beginner or a professional. If you'd like to learn more, click the link below the video. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Traders Union channel.